Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna open Pinkie Pie's hair care case. This is a beautiful little carry case, and it comes with accessories. Time to open this box. So here it is, Pinkie Pie as a carry case. Her eyes are big stickers. Now let's see what we have inside. Here's a little hair dryer. On and off button, and it looks like we're gonna need a battery. This is a AAA battery. Now let's turn it on. Wow, this is a working hair dryer. Pretty cool. We also have here a comb, 2 hair clips. One's a heart, the other one's a star, 1 sticker, and a hair extension. Pink, just like Pinkie Pie's hair. It comes with a little hair clip. Cool. When you're done playing, you can just put everything back in the little carry case. And you're ready for a sleepover. Inside this little case, you can also carry some cool surprises. Let's check them out. Wow, lots of surprises. Time to open the surprises. Minnie Mouse, egg surprise. Here we have a little cookie. These cookies are so yummy. A toy. One big sticker of Minnie. And a flyer. My Little Pony fashion surprise. These ponies are so squishy. Peppa Pig, Chupa Chups. Delicious chocolate. And the toy surprise is Grandpa Pig. We also have here a flyer. Kinder surprise. yummy chocolate, and inside we have two little surprises, plus a flyer, one little squirrel, they're so soft. And we have here one more surprise from Winnie the Pooh. Big sticker of Piglet, a flyer, it's a keychain of Eeyore, and one cookie. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from My Little Pony right here on Disney Collector.